So what this video is going to do is it's going to walk you through the steps on how to set up your mixer brush. I'm going to press B on my keyboard and it's going to select the brush tool from the toolbar. I'm going to press and hold on the brush tool and I'm going to select the mixer brush. That's what we're going to be working with for this project. Once I select that, you notice in the tool option bar up here there's a lot of different options. In order for this to work the best, we need to set it up a certain way. So we are going to click here, and remember you guys have lots of folders in here that you can expand and close based by clicking right here. What we need to do is we need to go into our general brushes and we need to select the soft brush. The hardness cannot be 0, it needs to be increased to 80%. We need to turn off the load brushes, so this area is all set. Now up here, so we can press enter to get rid of it. And then up here, when I hover my mouse, it says load the brush after each stroke. We do not want to do that. So right now it's set off, which is great. This we do need turned on, and we want it to clean the brush after every stroke. So this is going to be turned on. We also want to set it for moist. There's a bunch of different options, but we want moist. So again, that is good. And then the last thing that we want to do is we don't want to sample all layers because as you can see here I have each one of these layers set up individually. So when it comes to blending and blurring, especially these three colors together, if I leave the sample on, then do you see how it blends and blurs everybody together and it creates almost like this weird outline keeps getting repeated. So we do not want to do that. So we want to make sure that's off. And if it's off, when I go to, let's say, the cone and I start to blend and blur, especially down in this area, you see how it's not bringing that blue. Okay? The same with, let me come to the cube. And when I start to blend and blur, again, it is only doing the cube. Okay? So you need to make sure that you have all of this set up. If you're not sure of the directions, I also have them posted right here. Go to the tool option bar, choose general brushes, soft brush. The hardness is 80. Turn off load brush after each stroke, turn on clean, set to moist, and turn off the sampling layers, and then you can get to work.